Obsidian, the rock that's sharper than your uncle's one-liners. So what kind of rock is obsidian? It's an igneous rock, my friend, made from lava that cools so fast it doesn't even have time to form crystals. Talk about being in a rush, huh? Now how's it created? Picture this, a volcano erupts, spewing hot lava everywhere. That lava hits the ground and cools off faster than a New York minute. Boom! You got yourself some shiny black obsidian. But it ain't just any rock, it's got a history too. Ancient folks used this stuff for tools and weapons. Why? Because it's sharper than a gossip at a family reunion. And get this, obsidian can be so sharp, it's used in modern surgical tools. Yeah, that's right, from volcanoes to operating rooms. So next time you see a piece of obsidian, give it some recognition. That rock's been through a lot. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and keep those curious minds buzzing.